morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, kids, today we are going to learn about one new number. So, we are going to talk about number 16. Okay, which number is this? 16. 1, 6, 16. Okay, again 1, 6, 16. Okay, kids. So today we are going to learn how to write number 16 and how to count 16 objects. Okay, so let's start. So here I have one worksheet for you. So kids, look here. Looking good? Yes. So kids, this is number 16. 1, 6, 16. Okay. So kids, now see what is the formation of number 16. You have to make one standing line for number 1. Okay. Then for number 6, you have to start from here. Then first you have to make left curve. Then go down. Then make upward right curve. Okay. So like this you have to make 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Okay. Now see downside. What is this? Fish. Now colorful fish I have. So what you have to do? You have to count with your ma'am how many fish we have. Okay. So let's start from here. Okay. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, and 1, 6, 16. So we have 16 fish here. How many fish we have? We have 16 fish here. 1, 6, 16. Okay. Now I have some more objects to count. Okay. So let's start. Kids, counting. Look how to write number 16. Okay. So this is T. T is for tens and this is O. O for is ones. Okay. So very first we have two boxes. Okay. So we have two dots here. Okay. So let's start from here. Okay. So first you have to make. So kids, from this dot first you have to make number 1. Okay. Now from this second dot you have to make number 6. Okay. So start from this dot, make curve, touch this line, then go up and make circle like this. Okay. So kids, like this you have to write number 16. 1, 6, 16. Now kids, see what is the formation of number 16. Very first you have to make one standing line like this. This is number 1. Okay. Then make one left curve. Make one left curve. Then make one circle like this. Okay. So first you have to make standing line for number 1. Then make right curve. Then touch here. Then from here you have to make small right curve. Okay. So like this you have to make number 16. 1, 6, 16. So now kids, look here. I have some square shape glitter papers. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to count with your ma'am how many paper we have. Okay. So let's start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15 and 1, 6, 16. So we have 16 square shaped papers. Now this time I have some triangle shaped papers. Okay. So same we have to count this triangle shaped papers also. Okay. So let's start and count with your ma'am. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. And 1, 6, 16. So we have 16 triangle shaped papers. Okay. Now kids, it's activity time. So kids, you all are ready for activity? Yes. So kids, for today's activity, first you have to make one number 16 like here. Okay. Then you have to make some thumb shape. Okay. And you have to make number inside this. You have to write down number 1 to 16. Okay. Like this. Now what you have to do kids? We have number 16. So what you have to do? You have to take color. Okay. Then dip your finger in it. Okay. Then make dot like your map. Start from here. Okay kids. So you have to make one standing line like this. Okay. Again I am taking some color and completing this line like this. Okay. Now you have to take some more color. Now make fingerprint in number 6. So let's start from here like this. Okay. You have to make small fingerprints inside. Okay. So kids, I am taking here red color. Okay. But you can take any color according to your choice. Then go upside. Okay. So like this you have to complete number 6. So now kids, our number 16 is completed. Okay. So like this you have to complete number 16 by fingerprint. Okay. Now kids, for this thumbprint I am using here yellow color. Okay. And for these numbers what you have to do? You have to take some color in your thumb like this. Okay. Then what you have to do kids? You have to make thumbprint inside and speak counting also. Okay. Like 1, then 2, 3, okay, and 4 and 5, then 6, 7, then 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. Okay. Then 1, 1, 11. Then 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. And 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. And last 1, 6, 16. Okay. So kids, our activity is finished. So like this you have to complete this activity. Okay. Number 16 you have to complete with your fingerprint and downside thumb shape you have to fill with your thumbprint. Okay. So kids, I hope you like this activity. So you can also do this activity at your home. Okay, and send me the beautiful pics. Okay kids, bye bye. So kids, I am going to take work in our book Candy Numbers. Okay, so you have to open page number 48. Okay, and very first what you have to do, you have to write here CW and write today's date. Okay, like this. Now see kids, what is this? Trace the number 16 and color 16 triangles. Okay, so which number is this kids? This is 1 6 16. 1 6 16. Okay, and can you tell me kids which shape is this? Yes, very good. This is triangle. Okay, which shape is this? This is triangles. So we have here 16 triangles. So what you have to do? You have to color the 16 triangles. Okay, so now I am taking color here. So you have to take crayon and color the all triangles. Okay, color the triangles like this. Okay, like this. Okay, you have to color properly. Okay kids, so like this you have to color the 16 triangles. Okay, so now we are going to trace the number 16. So very first from this dot you have to make standing line for number 1. Okay, now you have to make number 6. So make curve, touch this blue line and again make curve and touch here. Okay, so like this you have to make number 16. 1 6 16. Okay, now again we have one tracing line. So you have to trace the number 16. 1 and 6 16. Okay, again 1 6 16. 1 6 16. Okay, so like this kids you have to complete this tracing line. Now see downside in this box we don't have any dots. Okay, so very first from this blue line downside you have to put one dot and then make one more dot here. So from this dot you have to make standing line like this. Okay, then from this dot you have to make number 6 like this. Okay, 1 6 16. Again 2 dots, 1 and 6 16. Okay, so kids like this you have to complete this 2 lines. Okay, so kids don't make 16 like this. Okay, this is wrong. If you are making number 16 like this, this is wrong. Okay, you have to touch number 1 till this blue line and you have to touch number 6 till blue line like this. Okay, you have to touch both the number on this blue line. So like this you have to complete this your CW page. Now come to your homework page. Okay, so what you have to do, color the blocks with the number 16. So what is this? This shape is block. Okay, we have some blocks here. So you have to check out number 16 and color the only block which has number 16. Okay, so now I am taking crayon. So this block has number 16. Yes, this is number 16 block. So you have to color it. Okay, like this. You have to color the block which has number 16. Now this is number 16. No, this is number 16. Yes, 1 6 16. So you have to color this block also like this. Okay, now this is number 16. No, this is number 16. Yes, 1 6 16. So you have to color this also. Okay, yes, done. Now this is number 16. No, this is number 16. Yes, 1 6 16. So last you have to color this block also. Okay kids, you can also use different colors according to your choice. Okay kids, so like this you have to color the block which has number 16. Now see downside, trace and write number 16. Okay, so you have to trace this tracing line same as CW, and downside you have to write number 16 same like CW page. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete your CW and HW page.